Hanging jewelry organizers with slim profiles are the fastest way to keep necklaces untangled and small accessories visible in tight homes. Use slim hanging jewelry pouches on the inside of closet doors to keep chains separated and visible while freeing drawer space. When installing, place the pouch at eye level so you can quickly scan pieces and fasten each necklace to its own hook or pocket to prevent overlap. Insert vertical tray jewelry inserts into shallow drawers to create narrow zones for rings, bracelets, and studs. Measure drawer depth first and cut foam or felt dividers to fit snugly so items do not shift when opening and closing. Mount a pegboard behind a mirror to convert dead wall space into a customizable storage grid, using short pegs or small S-hooks for necklaces and cushioned trays for brooches. Paint the board a neutral tone so the hardware stays discreet. Use magnetic earring organizers inside small frames by lining the back with sheet metal and attaching magnets to studs or posts, so pairs stay together and are easy to grab. For travel or compact storage, roll up leather jewelry rolls with labeled compartments for necklaces and small pockets for chains to prevent tangling and keep everything compact in a suitcase or closet shelf. A common mistake is cramming too many long chains into one pocket, which causes knots. Separate by length and fasten clasps before storing to avoid tangles. Another issue is choosing organizers that are too deep for narrow closets, which waste space. Always measure the clearance between the door and clothing and pick ultra-slim pouches or shallow trays designed for small gaps. People also forget to label or consistently return items to designated spots, which creates clutter. Adopt a short routine of returning pieces after each wear and use simple labels on pockets or trays so storage remains intuitive. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work that fits their skills. We also host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, project photos, and vendor recommendations related to organizing small homes.